Alright guys, so this is the second method that you guys see here. So we have unsize here, unsize array, and we declare our size here and we declare our result. Alright, so the reason it's possible to declare this x unsize is we're going to call it as a pointer as well, because we're going to index it as a unsized pointer, so there is no size here. That's what, and we're going to copy this, the first element of this one, and as soon as C++ comes in and encounter this one, it's going to convert this one into a string. Alright, so we're gonna, the last one is we're gonna build a program with a string, and we're gonna convert everything into upper, because strings are array of characters. So just remember that one, and we're gonna convert to this one, and I'm gonna write a different program for that one, so you guys not gonna be bored with this, all these integer types. So that was the first one. Is I'm gonna repeat again, is we had a size, and the second one we don't have a size, is unsized, and the last one we're gonna put our pointers here. Alright, so we're gonna change these guys here, and we're gonna put a char, and we're gonna have a pointer. Say you guys can put pointer string, or you guys can put anything you guys like. So you guys can put a, and I'm gonna just put a plain string, so you guys remember that, because I'm gonna have, this is just a name, so you just remember that one. This is just a name. In our for loop, we're gonna come here and we say I is equal to 0, I is less than 15, because we don't have an integer, we're not gonna count till 15. That's what we're gonna put this, our string guy, this guy here, string, and we're gonna put our I as an element inside, and this guy we're gonna increment this I, and in the C out we're gonna have a inbuilt C++ function. We see is called put character. So we put a put char, we're gonna put our character. This is a, keep in mind, this is a inbuilt C++ function, and we need a special library for that, and I'm going to put a library in a minute. So when we have our put character, and we're going to put a to upper, because as I said to you guys can put your whatever string you guys receive here, because we have a data type char, our character, and we have a pointer string, we name it a string, and here we're going to run a for loop. And here, this guy is here. This is the I is the element of this string, and whatever we're going to put it here, which I'm going to do in a minute. We're going to have an inbuilt function. It's called put char, and inside this put char it takes another function which is called to upper, and what then C++ going to ask which one you want me to put a C to uppercase, and we're going to put our string and the I as the inside. And I said to you guys, we need to, so for us to come and use this one, we need to actually use C, because this is C++. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna put a include, because it's a special library, CS standard std IO, input output. And just in case, I'm gonna put a include again, so I don't want to get error. This is called IO stream. I'm gonna put a O stream. Okay, so because you guys need this library C standard, because this to upper from memory, I think this is a C function, put character, put char, and this to upper. So you guys need to put this inside C, and here instead of this int, you guys can put a character char a, and you guys need to put this 100, for example, because yes, then it takes 100. You guys don't need this I. You're gonna remove the I, and especially for loop as well. So you guys get rid of that one, And don't forget, here in your prototype we're gonna put our pointer string. Okay, so keep in mind this string is just a name. You guys can put S, whatever you guys like, X, Y, Z, Yazdani, whatever you guys like. Alright, so, and we're gonna invoke our function with wood. So this wood is here, and then as I said to you guys need to get something from the user, and you guys need to come here and put a C out. You guys put a please enter string to make it uppercase. And we put an handle here to make it in different to end the line here. So we're gonna have our C in, we're gonna get this data from the user, and this one's gonna be A. We're gonna use this one, and this is an array of the size 100, and here, excuse me, we're gonna get this one from the user, and we're gonna pass this array to our function. And remember, strings are arrays of characters, so I'm gonna put it here. Alright, so then remember, strings is an array of characters. So this char is a char, and this 2 char, 3 char, 4 char, 5 char, it becomes a string. So strings is an array of characters. Alright, so we're gonna run our program. We're gonna build our project. Okay, so we made a mistake here. We need to put a char. Sorry about that. You guys need to have this char here and char on top. This guy is here, wood character of the type string. You guys don't need to put this integer here. Alright, so we're gonna build our project to see errors, and there is no error because this guy is here and this guy is here matching now. Alright, so we're gonna run. Okay, so please enter a string to make it uppercase. I'm gonna put a Yazdani in lowercase, and I want to see if my program's gonna convert it into uppercase. And if you guys look at here, Yazdani is uppercase now. Okay, to make it more nice, so you guys can come here and you guys can put some sort of so you guys can come here and put a C out, and you guys need to put a space. Alright, so we're gonna run again, and I'm gonna put a Yazdani, and if you guys look at here, it's Yazdani, so but it's an uppercase. So because you guys, I put it in next line, it goes in the next line, it goes in the loop because we have a loop. So you guys can do like this as well. So if you guys put a next line here, it goes in a loop. So if you guys put a Corayo wood, you guys gonna see a Corayo wood. You guys gonna see in because every time it goes in the loop, it goes run, it increments, and because I put a next line here, it put it in uppercase. This guy comes here, and this guy checks it and put it in uppercase. It runs like that till whatever character I put it, it's till it's finished. So you guys can put put your name, anyone's name. You can put your pet name or computer name, whatever you guys like. And so if you guys remove this, it's gonna be in one single line. So now, I'm gonna put it again, Yazdani, Dani, and if you guys look at here, Yazdani is uppercase, and you guys can put a nice, see out here, alright. So now you guys can put this one in front of the here, and when we're gonna run, if I put a Yazdani, the uppercase is Yazdani. So you guys see here, whatever you guys put uppercase, Yazdani. So if you guys put here, next line, you guys gonna get on top of each other. So if you guys know, this is just let you guys know, this is more common with a C++ programmer, because the programmer likes to have a pointer here. Of you guys don't need to put a character pointer. You guys need to put can put a double float pointer or double pointer, or you guys can put any other pointer instead of this character pointer. So you guys this, but at the bottom line is the putting long story short. So you guys need to put the array, because characters are as I said here, string is array as an array of characters. So if you guys look at here, we passing the array into our function. So if you guys look at here, we are passing array. So we have a function here, we have a parameter of character with the type string, and here we are running a for loop, and we are taking the whatever from the user and putting into, we have an inbuilt function and putting in uppercase, and we're gonna come here, we're gonna have another data type char, and we name it A, and we put it in size 100. We're gonna take this one from the user, and we're gonna convert it into uppercase. So we pass this array, so we call our function with an array here. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys don't understand anything, any part of this, or if you guys got any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.